Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 11 of the Cougar Connection. We had a great week here at Simons Middle School last week, even though it was a busy one. I do want to take a moment to shout out to all of the veterans who came and ate breakfast with us and those who talked with our students. We greatly appreciate your service and your time speaking with our students, and we want to take the chance to thank everyone who made that breakfast possible, including Rich and Jan Anderson, who purchased the breakfast, and then our cooks who prepared the food. This week, our student spotlight is Sarah Ishmael. Sarah is a 7th grade student on the Green Monkey team. She enjoys clogging and has been competing for the past 7 years. She traveled to Knoxville this past weekend to close out her season in the Clogging Champions of America's Showdown of Champions. She dances for Taps in Motion in Owensville. Her team name is Taps in Motion's Quest. This group practices each week in the studio, and then she also practices at home throughout the week. Her season is year-round and will renew again starting in January to kick off the season at Morehead State University. So congratulations, Sarah, for all of your hard work in the classroom and on stage. I cannot wait to see the amazing things that you do here at SMS as a Cougar. For this week, we do have several events on the calendar. On Monday, we will begin our annual turkey trot. That will start tomorrow, and it will last throughout the week. Friday will be the final day for that, and we will award the trophy once we have declared a winner. Tomorrow is also World Kindness Day. We do have a surprise and delight for students, and we have an admin team meeting in the morning at 8. Tuesday is a regular board meeting at 6:30 at Central Office. We will have our MSU students on campus. Our Impact Leadership class has a service opportunity on this day. Black and Gold Night is also this evening, and it will be Picture Retake Day here at school. Wednesday, our Beta Club will be at Flemingsburg Elementary in the afternoon. Thursday, teachers, we will have PLCs. Cougars for Christ will be traveling to KCU. This will be the final day for our MSU students to visit our campus, and the SMS Student Council will be at FCHS from 11 to 12:30 on Thursday. And Friday, as always, is Bring It Friday. It is also STLP Regionals, and we will have Kona Ice present on this Friday. So as parents, students, don't forget, next week is Thanksgiving break. You do get the whole week off, so it'll be the last day on Friday before break. Don't forget about the winter formal. It is upcoming from 6:30 to 8:30 on December the 9th. Also, don't forget we can still do posters and banners, as well as trophies and plaques in our SMS library. If you would like more information, you can get in contact with Mrs. Wagner. And parents of 6th grade students, we do still have the Indianapolis trip registration open. You can register for that anytime. If you'd like more information, you can contact one of the 6th grade teachers or myself. And we do still have the Bring In Apparel fundraiser going on. We'll probably place that order before we leave for break. So if you've got a last minute order that you want to get in, please send that to the office this week. And that is all the announcements that we have for this week. Let's have a great week, Cougars, and happy Thanksgiving break.